Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. This is Amy from With Love by Amy, and today is day 6 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar Day or series. All right, so first off, we're gonna find day 6. Where's day 6? Where are you, day 6? Oh, there you are, down at the bottom. Hi, day 6. All right, and we're gonna open it, and I'm actually gonna try to look at the image this time because it's a pretty small opening there. So I'm going to look at the image. Ooh, it's supposed to be a turtle. That's super cool. All right, so let's check this out. I'm struggling and I'm struggling. Let's open that up. All right, we got our cool little die set. And let's see what it looks like. All right, we'll check this out. We're going to unbox it. And wow, that's a lot of pieces. We'll have to figure out how this all goes together. What? There's a balloon and a string. And what is that little thing? I don't know what that is. Find out later that it belongs to under the turtle's shell. If it was me, I probably would have left that part out, but that's just me. I had to look at the picture to see that that's probably where it went. Yeah, there's me struggling to figure it out. All right, so now we figured out how the turtle all gets assembled. And so I immediately knew what I wanted to do to make this card because when I was a kid, my grandpa always used to say that things were faster than a herd of turtles or slower than a herd of turtles, stuff like that. So I had to make a herd of turtles like this. This was just calling. And so I had to do this in memory of my grandpa. And I love that it's so cute and adorable, but it's lots of pieces. So I did put this on hyper super duper speed. I cut out 3 turtles in all different colors of green. And what we're going to do here is we're going to kind of like roughly sketch an oval for a pond. The turtles are going to be congregating around the pond with their balloons. So I'm going to rip that out so it looks kind of like a pond. And my idea is that hopefully later on in the advent calendar, there will be a happy birthday sentiment that I can use to put a sentiment in there or something along that line. Maybe like a it's your day or something like that. That'd be really helpful. So on hyperspeed, we are going to assemble these turtles because there's a lot of pieces and they need lots of glue. And some of the pieces are tiny. So what I did was I layered the 2 pieces of the party hats so that the pom-pom part could be a different color than the rest of the hat. And of course, we're going to make the turtle carry a different color balloon than his hat is. And we're going to glue it all down. And we're also going to glue, after we glue the turtle in onto the card front, we're going to glue the eyeball pieces in. I could have glued the eyeball pieces on the back with another piece of cardstock there, but I decided not to. I decided to just adhere the turtles, adhere the balloons, and then adhere the, like the eyeball pieces after it's all done. And all this stuff is really tiny. I tried to use my jewel picker for some of this stuff, and you'll see in a second that I was struggling. Like those itty bitty eyeball pieces, yeah, super struggle. And this balloon, I see how I put it on there, and you could see the rest of the balloon string under the turtle's neck. I am going to take my scissors, and I'm going to pull the string of the balloon up. There you go. You see me pulling the string up, and then I'm going to clip it off with the scissors because I couldn't think of another good way to do this to make sure that the balloon wasn't going over the edge of the card. And now we are going to we're going to put some glue in the eyeball holes, and then we're going to put all the little pieces in for the eyeballs and hope that it makes sense because I don't know what else to do. But the big pieces aren't that bad, but the smaller the pieces get, yeah, they get a little more of a struggle. Like those itty bitty, yeah, look, I'm struggling. Struggle. I'm really excited when my son gets home from school today to show him this card because he also loves turtles, which is pretty cool because he never got to meet my grandpa since he passed away before I got married to my husband. So it'll be fun to show my son, and my son shares his love of turtles with my grandpa. So pretty cool. But we're going to finish assembling this hopefully soon because I feel like I'm taking forever to do this part. But I will say this is a cool die set because I don't have any turtles. I have very few little crittery type of things, but this is cute. I like this. A critter or a turtle with a happy birthday hat and some balloons. That's pretty awesome. I'm excited about this addition to my stash. And after I'm done with this, I will put it away on my magnetic sheet, just like I did with all the other dies that we've gotten so far. I definitely feel like so far this advent calendar's been die heavy, and I'm here for it. I like it because I feel like, especially with cute stuff like Spellbinders makes, you can't really get enough dies. That's for sure. All right, I think we're actually done. Oh, gotta put some more glue under that balloon and weigh it down for a second. And then, oh, here's our 5 seconds of Sonic. He's being a silly kitty cat today. Yep. He doesn't want to participate and say hi, but here's the finished product of the card. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you would make with these turtle dies. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to come back tomorrow and see what we're making on day 7. Have a great day, and I'll catch you later. Bye.